बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मुझे यहाँ पे एक जगह देने के लिए। आई थिंक हमारे प्रोग्राम में हमने ये डिसाइड किया था कि बिफोर मैं बोलूँ, हमारे संस्था की एक एलमनाई है जो हमारे साथ पढ़ के आज एक इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही है। हमारे एलमनाई वैसे भी हमारे काम के बारे में ज़्यादा अच्छे से बता सकते हैं, हम बताएं उससे पहले। तो मैं निवेदन करूँगी भाग्यश्री से कि आके थोड़े एक दो शब्द बोले, फिर मैं कुछ प्रेजेंट करूँगी।
Thank you, Nidhi, for that. And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope every one of you is doing well by all means. Today I'm here to share what has brought me to this stage. Trust me, 7-year-old me wouldn't even dream of this, because then all I saw was domestic violence, gaslighting behavior, because then all I saw
She's 19 years old.
so then all I saw then all I saw was toxic environment, domestic violence, and gaslighting behavior. I didn't grow up having role models. I grew up having people I didn't want to be like and seeing situations I never want to be in. Not all of us are dealt with the right cards, but that doesn't mean we can't reshuffle our your deck, outgrow your environment, and transcend your reality. Fortunately, I was awarded an scholarship in my second standard, which allowed me to study at an incredible school and complete my third to 10th standard. The exposure it was definitely a turning point in my life, and the exposure they provided me with helped me become an empowered and educated citizen of India to be able to make informed choices. Thus, when Navgurukul came across as an opportunity through the uh, through the alumni and support and engagement program, I couldn't resist. More than financial independence that the Navgurukul pay package would have brought me, it was the opportunity to move out of my comfort zone and grow that increased me the most. Like many others would, I felt like giving up at the starting because it was my very first time staying away from my family, especially my mother. But after getting involved in the community, I finally felt at home. And I must say, taking risk is the optimal way to grow and change. In Navgurukul, I learned cutting-edge software programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, and many more. The various community activities also helped me to grow on a personal level. Then finally, sleepless hackathons, early mornings, and skipped meals paid off, and I got chance to apply for an internship at the top organizations not only in India but the world, the NatWest Group. To be honest, I wasn't sure if I could make it because there were people with IIT degrees applying for the same and I was just 12th pass out. But I believed in myself, and guess what? I made it. In the 6 months internship, I worked in the specific business as a software engineer intern and delivered real-time projects. Eventually, noticing my caliber and potential, the company acknowledged it by offering me a permanent software engineering role. Well, all of this wouldn't have been possible without my family supporting me, my school raising me right, Navgurukul believing in me, and my organization recognizing the talent that I hold regardless of the educational qualification I possess. And to all the youngsters coming from a challenging background, especially girls, I promise if you turn your disadvantages into your strength, there's nothing holding you back from making it big despite all the odds. I'm going to end my speech with a final thought that I'll stick to forever. It is our choices that define us far more than our abilities. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bhagyashri. Bhagyashri is just 19 years old. Thank you so much, Honorable Minister Ma'am, for giving her the strength that you just did. This is honestly that we need. Thank you so much. Without taking much time, I will quickly talk a little bit more about what we do at Navgurukul. Next slide, please. We work with girls from marginalized communities to help them become programmers and get access to digital careers. We work with all minority group women as well as women from any marginalized communities in whatever category you can think of. जब इन लड़कियों के साथ अगर काम करना है तो जो डिज़ाइन ऑफ द प्रोग्राम है हैज़ टू रियली स्पीक टू देम. So one of the core innovations that we have done is that our program is self-paced, peer learning based. इसका ये मतलब है कि प्रोग्राम में लड़कियां कभी भी जुड़ सकती है. तो अगर आज भाग्यश्री जैसी कोई लड़की मुझे कहती है कि मुझे प्रोग्राम में जुड़ना है तो मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि आप अगले जून में आइएगा, बिकॉज क्लास शुरू हो गया है. क्योंकि हर एक लड़की हमारे यहाँ पे आती है, अपने आप पे लैपटॉप लेके अपने आप से पढ़ाई करती है और उसको अपने पीयर से, मेंटोर से सपोर्ट मिलता है ताकि वो आगे बढ़ते रहे, ताकि वो कभी भी जुड़ सके. वैसे भी प्रोग्रामिंग जैसी चीज़ों में करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है सुनने से. तो ये काफ़ी सारे अलग अलग सेल्फ पेस पेडागोजी, पीयर लर्निंग, कम्युनिटी पे हम काफ़ी काम करते हैं. सारे बच्चे कम्युनिटी में मिलके अपना कैंपस लगभग खुद चलाते हैं. हम लोग ज़्यादा कुछ करते नहीं है कैंपस में. तो नेगोशिएशन करना, लीडरशिप स्किल, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सीख जाती है. मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन एनीथिंग एल्स, सीखना सीख जाती है ताकि जब इंडस्ट्री में जाए, आज भाग्यश्री जावास्क्रिप्ट पे काम कर रही है बट शायद कल किसी और ही लैंग्वेज पे काम करेगी, तो वो सीखना सीख जाती है जो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो दैट इज़ वन कोर इनोवेशन दैट वी हैव डन. नवगुरुकुल आज 7 अलग अलग सेंटर चलाता है पूरे देश में. वी हैव सेंटर्स इन धर्मशाला, दिल्ली, अगरतला इन त्रिपुरा, पूना, बैंगलोर, अमरावती, महाराष्ट्र अमरावती, एंड वी हैव पार्टनर्ड विथ वेरी एक्टिव स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स, Maharashtra, Goa. We have just signed an MOU with them. So we are working very closely with various different partners to work on this. Government has been very, very supportive and we recognize that and are thankful for that. One, I think, critical thing that we wanted to talk about today is that what are the factors of success? एक फैमिली और सोसाइटी से इन लड़कियों को बहुत सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है. सबसे पहला होता है ट्रस्ट रखना कि ये कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं, विदाउट एनी डाउट कर सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट हमारे यहाँ पे जो लड़कियाँ आती हैं वो 10th स्टैंडर्ड बेयर मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया आता है. तो विद इन 1 year ऑफ ट्रेनिंग विद नवगुरुकुल दे टेक द सेम जॉब्स एज इंजीनियर्स डू, विच इज़ 10 + 2 + 4. एंड इवन देन कई बार लड़कियों को अपने घर से प्रेशर होता है कि 1 साल हो गया है, अगर जॉब नहीं लगी है तो वापस आ जाओ, शायद आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा, है ना. तो दे जस्ट नीड अ लॉट मोर सपोर्ट एंड ट्रस्ट इन देयर एबिलिटी, स्पेस टू काइंड ऑफ लाइक अचीव व्हाट देयर ट्रू पोटेंशियल इज एंड cheer in their success. So that's kind of like one thing. Corporates have to start focusing a lot more on skills rather than pedigree. Bhagyashri has just done 12th standard, but NetWest Group, which usually just hires from IITs, not only didn't hire from any IITs or engineering college or BCom, BA graduates or 12th, they just directly started with where she was because her skills were in the right place in what they were looking for. NASSCOM Foundation has kind of identified focusing on DE&E, diversity and inclusion, as a business strategy, because if corporates want to expand into different markets, having people from the same communities is definitely a great business strategy, not from a talent point of view, but even from a marketing point of view. And just providing them growth pathways which are equivalent to anyone else that comes in. Once you bring in the students and people from diverse communities, but also they give them the same growth pathways in the community. And NatWest has again done that by providing Bhagyashri a scholarship to finish her formal education and many other great HR policies. So we commend all the good work that is happening from government side. Families are coming out and supporting their kids a lot, as well as corporates which have started showing the work. आज ये platform बहुत ही एक सही दिशा में जा रहा है कि बहुत सारे अलग-अलग initiatives are coming together to kind of like work on this, and we are happy to kind of like merge hands with everyone who wants to work towards solving this problem until every girl in the country has the same opportunity. Thank you.